Thanks for joining me on another adventure. We're here at Twin Falls, Idaho. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Alright guys, so today we're in Twin Falls, Idaho, down here on the Snake River. And we're gonna rent us some kayaks and see how far we can get. Maybe we can make it to Shoshone Falls.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Got us a little tandem kayak. Let's see how it goes.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane.
Alright guys, so we're paddling down the Snake River now. Got this big giant bridge in the background, and this is the largest legal, I guess, base jumping bridge in the country. You don't have to have a permit or anything. You can come up here and base jump off this bridge anytime you want, if you're into that kind of thing. We're hadn't seen any base jumpers yet, but that'd be kind of cool if we do. Is there a base jumper up there? Where is everybody yelling? I don't know. Didn't see him. No base jumpers. We're kayaking down the Snake River in Twin Falls, Idaho. And the bridge that you see in the background is, I know, the largest suspension bridge in the United States that you can legally base jump off of. So if you're out here and you're a base jumper, come check it out.
I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down.
The falls, and we met some locals, and they're going to see if we can make a hike across the falls to the other side.
I'm staying here for almost 15 years.
Yeah.
Is it good? No?
Hopscotch your way around the big rocks.
What's that?
Usually you can almost hopscotch your way around the big rocks.
So normally you can walk through here.
Yeah.
If you get to Twin Falls, Idaho, and you'd like to rent some kayaks, definitely check out AWOL Dive Kayak rentals. They're in Centennial Park, right on the river. Thanks for joining me on another journey through Twin Falls, Idaho. If you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell. That'll notify you every time that I have a video out. Thanks for living life. Was that one better? Well, we'll just keep that one then. Thanks for living life.